Hello, tásúla go bhfuil gach duine go hintach bhain inniu agus táim seach an taispeach go bhfuil gach duine óbhta rudí tharraingt. I'm here to show everyone that you can all draw something. So not before if we go other bit, don't worry about anything at all. Beag an chéile seo Dátheangach, this workshop or chéile Físeán, this video will be bilingual. So don't worry about anything. Beag with Céim, everything will be step by step. If I'm going too fast, no, then Darren will cnaipe sosa. Don't forget you have a pause button if I'm going too fast. And chéile, Nollag chuna Daidí beag tarraingt, Daidí Nollag Céim. Merry Christmas to you all. We'll be drawing Father Christmas step by step. Or Santa Claus. So just just do a circle along Dátheangach. Start to a circle in the middle of the page, and you can do a little shape like this. And if you want to, if you can, if it works, then rub mar sin, then see the rash mar sin, rub mar sin, rish. So I'm drawing two eyes. Agus te sias mar sin, mach, trasa, rub mar sin. So, nose, eyes. On sin, den size craw, mar trinton and shaw. You do it. I want to say triangle, but in the shin, I guess it. Then join up the two of them together. On sin, te sias mar sin, trasa mar sin, sias mar sin. Agus on sin, te sias, strasna, te sias, strasna. On sin, te amach, sosa, trasna, sias. On sin, te sias an seo, sosa, sias. Agus, you're kind of making little jaggedy stuff. Agus sosa, agus an sin, mar sin. Then size S an seo, if you do a letter S there, piece of Brúigh an seo. On sin, hata, do the hat, trasna, sias. Lína suas mar sin, lína suas mar sin, lína suas mar sin. Sin, mach, steach. You're just doing the bobble bit at the back of the hat. Sin, te amach, agus, te sias mar sin. Let's go out and up and down again. Sin, te amach, agus te amach an seo. Now, smile. So, then lína mar sin, te sias, steach, suas mar sin, sias, steach, suas an sin. Te sias an seo, trasna, suas, sias, trasna. Agus an sin, te sias, trasna, den lína an seo. An sin, den fiachla an seo. Across his gob, or his mouth, a veil. Agus fiachla eile, seo. Sin Santa Claus. Ho ho ho. Chéile. So, tásúla go mbeadh linn to see iontach a raibh. I hope you all have a very nice holiday. And Nollag chuna Daidí Beag. Merry Christmas to you all again. Slán.